Hello everybody, we're ready to make a pizza in just 60 seconds with the brand new OONI Karu 12G, the world's most advanced portable pizza oven. We've got a pizza here and let's launch it in, and it gives me 60 seconds to talk through some of the features of Karu 12G. Here we are. So first of all, temperature. So of course, like all of our products, it hits 850 degrees Fahrenheit or 450 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. It does through 3 ways of convection and conduction and radiation, and getting those temperatures up there. We have a beautiful insulated borosilicate glass door here that gives you a view of the pizzas or whatever you might be cooking with it as it's cooking without having to open the door every single time. But let's have a look at the pizza now and give it a little spin. There we go. So another nice feature on the Karu 12G is the integrated analog thermometer that at a glance gives you a view of what's happening inside the oven without having to pull out the thermometer every single time. It's got a very small footprint, a powder coated body that is weather resistant. It's very portable at just 34 pounds or 15.5 kilograms. And that's our 60-second mark. Here we go. A beautiful pizza cooked in just 60 seconds on the Karu 12G.